Harvested from the South American Salvia Hispanica plant, chia seeds are ounce for ounce one of the most potent sources of vitamins and nutrients in the natural world. Chia seeds have been scientifically proven to possess a number of health benefits for both body and mind. Here, we take a look at the top 6 reasons to add chia seeds to your shopping list. 1. Antioxidant Power. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that defend our bodies against free radicals, oxidation that causes cell damage, aging, and in some cases cancer. As with many vitamins and nutrients, our bodies absorb these antioxidants better when we obtain them from food rather than from supplements. As one of the most concentrated sources of antioxidants in the natural world, chia seeds should be part of everyone's daily diet. 2. Aids digestion. 1 ounce of chia seeds contains a whopping 11 grams of fiber, one of the highest concentrations of any natural food source. Fiber has a long list of health benefits, not the least of which is to aid digestion. Fiber feeds the good microflora that live in the human digestive tract. Healthy gut bacteria means better nutrient absorption and overall well-being. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. While the omega-3 fatty acids in cold water fish are still processed more efficiently than those found in plants, chia seeds are an excellent vegetarian source of omega-3 fatty acids. Unlike flax seeds, the more well-known omega-3 seed, chia, doesn't have to be ground into meal for our bodies to obtain the nutrients within. This makes chia seeds a far more accessible and convenient option as a vegetarian omega-3 fatty acid source. 4. Improve cardiovascular health. When included in a heart-healthy diet, the fiber and essential fatty acids in chia seeds may help to reduce bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while improving good HDL cholesterol. Also, studies have shown that getting the right amount of cardiovascular exercise each week can seriously reduce the risk of many cardiovascular diseases. The boost of protein and nutrients offered by chia seeds can help you maintain a steady, high energy level throughout the day, making it much easier to feel up to that post-work workout that many people otherwise skip. 5. Reduces blood pressure and inflammation. In one study performed over the course of 12 weeks, it was shown that consuming about 37 grams of chia seeds per day can have a positive effect on blood pressure and may also reduce cardiovascular inflammation that can lead to critical illness. At the end of the study, subjects who ate chia seeds every day saw a decrease in systolic blood pressure of around 6.3 millimeters hemoglobin. The same study also measured a 40% reduction of the inflammation indicator known as high-sensitive C-reactive protein in blood of those subjects who ate 37 grams of chia seeds every day. 6. Fight against diabetes. There are currently many ongoing studies regarding chia seeds as a natural measure to treat type 2 diabetes. Previously mentioned, chia seeds help to regulate blood sugar levels. When eaten, these tiny seeds form a coating inside the stomach and intestines that slow the digestion and absorption of sugar into the bloodstream.